Hello, I hope you're having a great day. So today's the farmer's market. I will give you a little picture of my table. I'll show you my booth, but it's really just going to be a table today. I did have to come out. I'm watering my flowers. It has been 90s and it hasn't rained for well over a week. So I'm going to give one of my fields a good drink, and then hopefully, I don't know if I'll give the other one. One of the fields seems to just have ample water. I don't know why. It's always wet. And unfortunately, it's where I put my amaranth. So it looks like it is getting too much water. My tomatoes are doing amazing though. And the zinnias seem okay, so maybe they're far enough away. I don't know if there's an underground stream or just the land soaks up a lot of water right there. But I don't think that field actually needs any water. And then I would like to water my perennial field, but I'm not gonna have time to get that done this morning. And I have my class reunion tonight, so I think maybe tomorrow I'll get out here and get that one watered. But I will meet you back at the farmer's market. Today I'm gonna plant a plant really quick while this is watering though. My friend gifted me this. Oh my gosh, it looks like it would be gorgeous. And I think I'm just gonna go put it down by my baby's breath because there's no fabric. I tore it up, and then I will be able to put this tag by it and remember it's there. All right, I got it in the ground. Hopefully it comes back next year and is beautiful, and I remember it's there with that tag. I think I will. It's like right by my baby's breath, so it'll get full sun. Maybe not this very early morning sun, but soon enough it will get all western sun because there's nothing blocking it. Okay, I thought I'd kind of show you guys when they opened up. This looks so much prettier all opened up. Well, it's 8:20 and I'm almost halfway up. Might not last long on ridiculous days, but we have a lot of vendors today. So this is the last bouquet, and I still have an hour and 20 minutes. So the farmer market was a success. It was a really busy day. A lot of people came up to the square for ridiculous days, and a lot of the businesses had stuff like pie eating contests and different things going on, and I think the community just had a lot of fun with it. I sold half my bouquets by 8:20, so I just kind of stood up there and had a fun day with everybody, and it was a good time. The order of the bouquets went, 3 and 5 went first. But I kind of knew they were going to go first because the lady had asked me to make her a pink one and one that had a few dabs of red in it. So I did the best I could, and she came up really early and grabbed those two. And then 6 4 5 2. In 1. Or the order. So if you picked 6, 4, 2, or 1, you did good too, because the other 2 were already spoken for. But yeah, it was a fun day. It was a successful day. I'm glad I foraged and had enough bouquets to go up there. And I'm glad I made those little $10 ones with those lilies. They looked great. The booth looked great. And it was just a fun day. I saw a lot of classmates because it was my class reunion. And that's about it. So today I think I'm going to get out and go harvest a few things. And then probably call it a day pretty early today. It's Father's Day. My videos are 1 day behind, and I combine these 2 days together. So let's go see what I find. Hey, I have some in my garden today.